Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, yourself?
Doing good. My name's Taylor. I'm with Aptive Pest Control. My trucks are going to be out here in the neighborhood tomorrow, taking care of Brian, Tracy, along with 13 others. It's mainly been a lot of the ants, the spiders, and the wasps. If you guys can be here, I'm doing it for over half off. Normally that first one's $350 and then just $139 a quarter. But since my trucks are already going to be here in the neighborhood, I'm taking $200 off. Doing that first one for just $150.
Nice. We actually have a company. I think it's working.
You got it out here. They're coming out quarterly for you.
Yeah.
The reason that I ask is just because a lot of the neighbors have actually been upgrading to my service just because I'm doing a lot more for them, and I'm actually doing it for a lower price as well. One of the biggest differences is I step away from the home and I go from your front curb all the way to your back fence line, and I custom treat and inspect all the grass, the trees, the shrubs, making sure that nothing's nesting and breeding, flushing everything off the property for you.
I have a dog. Is this going to hurt him?
I'm glad you brought that up. All the products that I use are derived from the chrysanthemum flower. So they're actually plant-based, which make them pet and child-friendly for you. One of the things that Brian loved, though, is I step away from the home, and here at the base of the home is where a lot of the people have been seeing issues. So you know how you get the little cracks, little crevices? Those are the highway points for all the bugs. So what I do is I treat a full 3 feet up and 3 feet out to give you a good 6 feet of defense so that none of these little guys can wiggle their way inside. One thing that all the neighbors have been seeing though, you know how you get the spider webs up in the eaves, the wasp nests? So I go around the entire top of the home, sweeping down all the spider webs, wasp nests, making sure that nothing's nesting, building up, getting in through the eaves, and then dropping down inside the home. You guys are gonna be here tomorrow, right?
Let me talk to my wife real quick.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. I've never met a woman that doesn't like getting rid of the bugs. I'll tell you what I can do for you. I noticed that you guys have some rose bushes out here. If I can fit you guys in tomorrow, I'll throw in an aphid treatment as well. There are these little tiny bugs that eat the leaves. You know how you get the little holes in the leaves? They're the ones that do that. So what I'll do is I'll throw that in completely free for you. It's usually an extra $75 value. I'll do it completely free for you. Now, does mornings or afternoons usually work better for you?
Afternoons.
Okay.
Sounds good.